Vanakkam. Hi, friends. So, today we are going to continue learning spoken Tamil through English. This is our second video. So, please do watch our first video before continuing this. So, let me share my screen and we'll start our today's lesson. So, today we are going to learn possessive adjective in Tamil. So, let's start. For my, in spoken Tamil, we can say either என்னோட or ஏன், your, உன்னோட or உன். Formally, உங்களோட or உங்க. His, அவனோட. Formally, அவரோட. Her, அவளோட. Formally, அவங்களோட. Its, அதோட. Our, எங்களோட or எங்க. Our, among ourselves. நம்மளோட. Their, அவங்களோட. Here you can use for my either என்னோட or ஏன். Likewise for your உன்னோட wo and formally உங்களோட and உங்க in any scenario. There is no any condition of using this. In any situation you can say either என்னோட or ஏன். Both are equally same. For his in Tamil you can say அவனோட. But in spoken Tamil, sometimes people will say avan. For example, instead of saying avanoda car, some people will say avan car. That is also fine. Like our, instead of saying avaroda veedu, people will say our veedu. That is correct. But even though it is correct, as of now, we are skipping it because if you remember, yesterday when we saw he, she, it, we saw the same thing like avan, our, right? So it might be little confusion at the beginning. So that's why we are skipping it as of now. Also, here you see we are having two kinds of our in Tamil. One is Yengaloda or Yenga, another one is Nammaloda. It's same like how we are having two kinds of we in Tamil. For example, here when you when you just assume you're in one classroom and you're talking with your friend. He's a new student. At the time the professor is coming in, entering into your classroom. So you are saying to your friend, he is our professor, because here he is a professor for you, also one group of student. The person to who you are speaking also in that group. Okay, at that time you have to say your nammaloda professor. Okay, but in case if you are going somewhere else, like if you are in shopping mall or if you are in any coffee shop, you are spending your time with your family. At that time you are seeing your professor. At that time you have to say your எங்களோட professor, because here he is professor for you, also one group of people, but currently the person to who you are speaking is not in that group. So at that time you have to say எங்களோட professor or எங்க professor, like that. So let's read this once again. My, என்னோட or ஏன், your, உன்னோட or உன், formally உங்களோட or உங்க, his, அவனோட, formally அவரோட, her, அவளோட, formally அவங்களோட, its, அதோட, our, எங்களோட or எங்க, among ourselves, நம்மளோட, their, அவங்களோட. So let's see some example sentences here. My name is Karthik. என்னோட பேரு கார்த்திக். My name is Karthik. என்னோட பேரு கார்த்திக். Your cat is beautiful. உன்னோட பூனை அழகா இருக்கு. உன்னோட பூனை அழகா இருக்கு. Where is your mother? உங்க அம்மா எங்க இருக்காங்க? உங்க அம்மா எங்க இருக்காங்க? His father is watching. அவனோட அப்பா பார்த்துக்கிட்டு இருக்காரு. அவனோட அப்பா பார்த்துக்கிட்டு இருக்காரு. ஹிஸ் நேம் இஸ் கார்த்திக். அவரோட பேரு கார்த்திக். அவரோட பேரு கார்த்திக். ஹர் குக்கிங் வில் பி நைஸ். அவளோட சமையல் நல்லா இருக்கும். அவளோட சமையல் நல்லா இருக்கும். The puppy is crying, but its mother is not here. நாய்க்குட்டி அழுகுது, ஆனா அதோட அம்மா இங்க இல்ல. Here you can say நாய்க்குட்டி அழுதுகிட்டு இருக்கு. That is exact correct translation. So நாய்க்குட்டி means puppy. நாய்க்குட்டி அழுதுகிட்டு இருக்கு, ஆனா அதோட அம்மா இங்க இல்ல. So அழுதுகிட்டு இருக்கு means crying. He is our grandfather. அவர் எங்களோட தாத்தா. அவர் எங்களோட தாத்தா. This is our home. இது நம்மளோட வீடு. Again, இது நம்மளோட வீடு. She is their daughter. அவங்க அவங்களோட பொண்ணு. அவங்க அவங்களோட பொண்ணு. Hope you all enjoy this lesson. If you have any doubts or queries, please ask me in comments. Also, if you like this video, please do subscribe. We'll see you in next class. Bye.